Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick short video on how to get rid of these nasty water spots on anything fiberglass, black seadoos or boats or anything like that. A lot of people use different stuff. I use the cheapest, easiest stuff, regular white vinegar. That's it. White vinegar on a rag, full strength, takes it right off, doesn't wreck any of the fiberglass or coloring or anything like that. Some people dilute it, but I use it full strength. Here, just show you one spot here. As you can see, nice and clean, no more water spots, and effortlessly. So easy to do. Look, perfect. Well, just short, quick video, guys. No gimmicks. Vinegar. Hopefully it helped. Till the next one.